Hi everyone, this is Nico from Bonusbank, and today I'm going to show you how to make $5 in just a couple of minutes using something called Promotional Arbitrage. Now, arbitrage, if you're familiar with financial markets, you'll know that arbitrage is when you can buy something at one price and immediately sell it at another price for a profit. In this case, we're going to be buying and selling bets using first a bookmaker and then a betting exchange, Betfair. The reason this is called promotional arbitrage is that we're going to use a bookmaker promotion in order to make our profit, and the promotion in particular that we're going to use is at BetEasy. Now, you might not have heard of BetEasy before. They've just been formed recently out of a merger between CrownBet and William Hill. So BetEasy have this promotion. You can see here they've got enhanced odds. They call it their $2 faves, and you can find the $2 faves market over here in the sidebar. Tonight on the match between the Tigers and the Sea Eagles in the NRL, we've got a $2 fave that we can bet on with a max bet of $25. So they're offering $2 on the Tigers, which means if we bet 25, we're going to win 25 if the Tigers win. If we go to Betfair, we can see the actual chance of that happening. The Betfair back price is 1.59, so to get it at 2 is a pretty good enhancement. And now, if we go to the Bonusbank calculator here, we can see exactly how good it is. I'm going to put in my $25 stake. The back odds are 2. And we just saw on Betfair that the lay odds were 1.60. Now, the standard commission for Betfair on NRL and AFL is 2.5, but I've got a little discount on my account, so I'm getting it at 2.4. So you can see here it's telling me that if I lay 31.73 at Betfair, I should make a profit of $5.96 no matter what happens. So let's just put those numbers in and double check. So 31.73 is my lay stake. I'm going to put that in here. 31.73, and you can see that if the Tigers don't win, I'm going to get $30.97 back minus the 25 stake that I'm going to put on at BetEasy. That gives me $5.97. If they do win, I'm going to win 25 at BetEasy, but lose 19.04 at Betfair. So in that case, it's going to be $5.96. Either way, a nice almost $6 profit. I'm just going to place these bets right now. So 25 in here, place bet, confirm. There we go, my bet's been placed, and you can see that my potential return is $50, so that would be $25 profit. And I'm just going to confirm that one, and there we go, that's my potential outcomes there, and that's it. I've just guaranteed myself $5.96 or $5.97 profit, and it's taken me, a minute or two. If we look at BetEasy here, you can see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these $2 faves across the AFL and NRL this weekend. Not all of them will be the same because the lay odds are going to change for each match, but I had a look earlier, and if you were to just follow that procedure on each of the matches, you'd be looking at about $32 profit. It would take you about 5 minutes total to place them all, and it's completely risk free. So there you go, some nice easy money for you to go spend this weekend.